If you want to learn how to add bullets in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method so you can format your document neatly and make your lists look clean and professional. This is perfect whether you're working on notes, reports, school documents, or anything else inside LibreOffice Writer. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, either create a brand new Writer document or open an existing document that you want to edit. If you're starting from scratch, just open a blank Writer file and you'll be ready to go. If you already have text typed out, that works too. Now, decide exactly where you want your bulleted list to begin. Click your mouse into the document and place the cursor at the spot where you want the first bullet point to appear. This is important because whatever you do next will start from that exact location. Next, look at the top menu in LibreOffice Writer. Click on the formatting options and find the bulleted list feature. In many versions of LibreOffice, you can also use the bulleted list button from the toolbar if it's visible. Once you click the bullet icon, Writer will automatically create a bullet point at your cursor position. Now start typing your first item. After you finish the first line, press Enter on your keyboard. LibreOffice Writer will automatically move you to the next bullet point, so you can continue adding list items one by one. This makes it really easy to create organized notes, steps, or any kind of list without having to insert each bullet manually. If you want to stop the bulleted list, press Enter one more time on an empty bullet line, or click the bulleted list button again to turn it off. That will return you to normal typing mode, so you can continue writing regular text below the list. You can also customize your bullets if you want a different style. Depending on your version of LibreOffice Writer, you may be able to choose different bullet symbols, change the indentation, or adjust the spacing, so your list looks exactly the way you want it. This is useful if you want your document to look more professional or match a specific layout. If you're formatting a longer document, bullet points can help separate ideas clearly and make your content much easier to read. They're great for checklists, summaries, instructions, and highlights, so once you know how to add them, you'll probably use them all the time. Let's quickly recap the process. Open LibreOffice Writer, open a new or existing document, place your cursor where the list should begin, click the bullet list option, and start typing. Press Enter for each new bullet point and turn it off when you're finished. And that's it. Now you know how to add bullets in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in how clean and organized your document looks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful LibreOffice tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.